Hello, welcome to my channel, my kitchen experience. So we'll be making Editan soup today. We've added salt to our Editan leaf. Look at us, we're pouring hot water into it. That's my hand. I'm turning it, but I can't put my hand inside. So I'll now drain it and add cold water until it's cold enough to put my hand. Now I'm using my hand to scrub it very well. And look at it when I'm done washing my own. It's no longer slimy and it's now very fine. Look at the ingredients we'll be needing for this soup. So we have crayfish, we have seasoning, we have pepper, we have salt, we have fish, we have ekporoko, we call it ekporoko, that's stockfish. We also have the editan leaf that we've washed. Akwa Ibom woman, what are we doing again? See kanda now, cow skin, Ikpa enang. Look at our beef, our cow beef with brisket bone. Look at it looking so fine. We have our water leaf washed and shredded, and then we also have our periwinkle, we call it mfi in Akwa Ibom. So look at us, we are steaming our ingredients now. This is the meat and the stockfish. Now I'm going with my meat and my fish, my smoked fish. This particular fish, we call it tukbek. We call it tukbek in Akwa Ibom. Don't know how you call it in your place. Next time I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so this is me adding other ingredients to my pot, because I'm ready to go down with it. See the ingredients I'm adding. I'm ready to go down with every cooking, man. So you're gonna taste the food and you're gonna like it. So let's leave English. See mfi now. What's an Akwa Ibom woman's pot of soup without mfi? That's it. It makes sense. So this is it. I'm adding the cow skin. That's the Ikpa enang I told you about. I'm adding it to my pot. Okay, so check it out. We'll be eating and we'll be picking. Yeah, you get it, eating and picking. So that's it. So I'm adding palm oil. Adding it to the pot. I don't like too much oil, and don't add too much oil, even though you'll not enjoy the soup, seriously. So that's it. So I'll now put in my water leaf. That's how we call it. Now cover it and let it cook for a while, then turn it. You know, when you are cooking this kind of soup that you use water leaf, you don't add water, just your stock, and it should be little. So that's it. That's me turning it and trying to taste if all my ingredients are okay. Now I've added my leaf, added my editan leaf that is washed and cleaned, man. So that's it. I've added every other ingredient, the crayfish I was smelling, the pepper, I've added the salt, I tasted it and added more, and now added my seasoning too to make it. So I'm testing it to see if it's okay, and then I now realize that it was okay, and I'm dishing it into the plate because I want to devour it. I don't eat fufu sha, but if you're used to eat fufu, come with your fufu. I'm eating gari with it. So that's my soup. That's how it looks. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you try, let us know. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. We love you. Thank you.